Chat where I look too live goal. Me no want to talk about him. Me no want to talk about them something there. Business. Me no really want to talk about him. Me no want to give no forward. Me no want to give no hype. And me don't want to give no cloud. We're not talking about that. Any vice note where them have, make them play it. Plus one know some go home, me no see my yard. Cause everybody turn TikToker. Him dey on TikTok. Him turn TikToker because of me and Harlem family them want turn TikToker. And them are not nobody. And when I discuss them, we just avoid them because them cannot be me. Me no hold no argument with them. When I go home and I see him, me no hold no argument with him. Him just knows if he leave. Me no want go and go see him leave. Take out the things them and go on at the whole heap of house them who no have. Cause me no have none. Cause me no know, oh your brother come by and say my whole heap of house so you can't stay. But yes, still you have built house. What I do to the next and the people them and their money? What I do to the net and the people them and their money? One like put a mask and create a facade. And go like some of the on top of things. If you and brother or whatever you want to be, say a ball per house can put him. So why need to build none? So the one on a thief and a dog scam is so cock mouth kill cock. You don't chat too much of that on no business. Talk too much. You don't know what to chat say. Because if you have so many houses where Jake can go stay, why with them pit them? Why if you go build around and granny house? Where them live bad round there? Where them live bad round there? You chat too much. Some of the people not gonna wonder that. You know just enough and look on TikTok and love chat. You just love chat. If you have house can put him, why not put him the long time? Guys, we look too live go there.
Rosealee boy, come!
Oh.
You're not already.
Oh.
You're not already.
Oh, come.
The boy come. You're live and come.
When a man.
You're black.
When a man come. I thought we want to enter the ranking before we leave, you know. I'm gonna go up, my man come, my dear.
The boy come, Rose. Yeah, what is wrong with you? Shit.
Good afternoon. There's your receipt for the package that was sent with the jersey.
I want to have knock food up now, you know. Hello, good afternoon. You think Knoxford opens it now? Okay, then so I can go for it now. All right. So when I call it the medication, Chad, when I call it the medication and I'm leaving, I can take it out and carry it make. I'm going to carry my medication. I wash up my sal. Chad, think about people with the name.